Hello guys, welcome to today's YouTube video. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to connect to a Windows server using AWS, that is Amazon Web Service. What I really like about using AWS for Windows Server is that you don't need to manually download or install a fresh web server image from scratch. AWS has already handled most of the heavy configuration work for you. All you just need to do is to follow a few simple steps to set it up, So I'm going to be sharing a few steps on how to configure your own Windows server using AWS. So step 1, choose your server location. Now on this page, the first thing you need to do is to choose the location of your Windows server. Click on the region selector. Okay, so right now you can see United States, Ohio, California, and the rest. So choose your location. Now the location you set here is going to be the location you have for your Windows server. So be mindful of the location you set. Okay, now the second step is launch an instance. Next, go to the left sidebar. Right here you have instance here, and then select launch an instance. So there are two ways to do that. You might want to do it from this end, but here we have it already. Just by clicking EC2 you can have this page. So we just go straight to this launch an instance. Configure your instance. Under name and tags, give your server a name. For example, let's call it my server. Okay, so you scroll down under application and OS images. We are going to select Microsoft Windows, not Amazon Linux, not Mac OS, Ubuntu, or Red Hat. What we want to use is a Windows Microsoft server. So you click on the Windows option, you scroll down. This is what I love about AWS. Most of the heavy lifting is already done for you, so you don't need to stress. You go down, create a key pair. You scroll down to the key pair login section. If you do not have a key pair, you need to create one. Note, this key pair is very important. It's what you use later to unlock and decrypt your Windows server password. So let's create a new key pair and give it a name. For example, my server key. You click create new key pair. Notice, once you create it, it will automatically download to your computer. You'll find it in your download folder. Configure your security group. Under your network settings, you will see security group sections. It is best to leave the default configuration, just the way you have allow RDP traffic from anywhere. So it's best to leave it like that. However, you can also customize it. You can allow traffic. You can allow it to be allow traffic from my IP or custom. For simplicity, it is better to just leave it like this, so that even if you are not using the same network you use to configure this AWS, you can still log into your AWS and even your Windows server from anywhere in the world. So you scroll down, you don't need to do anything right here except you know what you are doing, so you can make some changes here. So we go straight to the launch instance. So we have successfully launched our instance. Your instance, go back, click on the instance tab. When you click on the instance tab, you see your newly created instance. Check the box, click connect. Step 7. Download your RDP file. On the connect page, you see multiple connection methods: session manager, RDP client, and EC2 serial console. So what you need is RDP client. So you click on it, you scroll down, you download the remote desktop file. This will automatically download the remote desktop file to your computer. So you need a password. Remember, we downloaded a key pair earlier, so you need it now. You click on get password. Now you are going to upload that key pair you downloaded earlier right here. So when you do that, it will look exactly like this. You decrypt the password. So once decrypted, you see your administrator password. You copy it. You will need this to open your Windows desktop server. Step 8. Log into your Windows server. Now go to your download folder and open the RDP file. It should look like this. You click on it, and when the login window appears, you paste your decrypted password. You click continue, and boom. You are now inside your Windows Server environment. Step 9. Change your password. Since the decrypted password is long and hard to remember, it is best to change it to something you can easily recall. Do that. If you are using Windows, press Ctrl plus Alt plus End. If you are using a Mac, press Fn plus Ctrl plus Option plus Delete. That will automatically bring you to this page where you click change a password. Remember, you need to enter your decrypted password first before you can set your own new password. So if you don't have an AWS account yet, you can reach out. I can help you through setting one up. Also, note that AWS offers a free tier that allows you to use your Windows Server instance for a certain period of time. I think that's about around 400 plus hours per month. Once the free tier expires, you'll start getting charged for usage. So keep an eye on your billing dashboards. If you found this video helpful, you can like, share, and subscribe.